What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, I was about to clean up when I saw on Mini Brands Instagram that there are new Kawaii Minis. You know, these. This is a Zuru Mini Brands capsule from when they first came out with some moving minis. Currently, these can be found for $7.99. I've also seen 2-packs at Ross where we can pay less per capsule. When these first came out, I was excited about super cute minis, but quickly learned that the scale was a little large for our 1/6 scale world. And they come with slime. We got a sticker, a collector's guide, a plastic bag, 4 paper bags. One of those bags has a magnifying glass, and we get 3 Kawaii Minis. I got the pixie dust donut. I get this one all the time. It's a very large donut. And here's a large juice box. It's a good size for a smart doll. And our last one is Bubble Ducky Bubble Bath. This is really cute. It has little soap bubbles. We could probably use it with the Barbies, but again, it looks like a good size for smart dolls. But what about the new minis? And y'all, there are 2. Zuru Mini Brands Create Kawaii Bouquets and Zuru Mini Brands Create Kawaii Kitchen. They are all in shades of pink, with the bouquets being a light pink, and the kitchen is kind of a salmon. Today we're going to open the bouquets, and in part 2 we'll open the kitchen. So let's get started. On the outside we can see an illustration of the minis. I paid $9.99 per capsule, so they definitely cost a little more. And we're still getting round capsules. Inside, the paper bags are lavender. I have 5 bags and a collector's guide showing the 6 bouquets in this collection, with 5 being common and 1 that is ultra rare and it might be scented. But can we use them with the dolls? Let's open the bags and see what we got. I got yellow accessories. There's a clear base. I assume it's a stand. I have some yellow plastic pieces and a plastic bow. And nope, we can't use it as a belt. Or at least I can't on a classic Barbie. In the next bag, we find a little creature. Oh, it's a capybara. It's flocked, so it's fuzzy. And I think it has an orange on its head. This can easily be cute room decor for the dolls. It could be so cute in a nursery. There is a hole underneath, and it's finished all the way around. I do believe we get 2. Oh, and the second one has an orange slice. It is pretty cute. It's giving Calico Critter vibes. I could see me using this as a plush on the doll's bed. In the next bag, we get a plastic roll with paper to wrap around the bouquet. This one has a picture of a capybara. And the last bag has 4 orange flowers with leaves. They're made of plastic. We also get an orange and an orange that's been cut in half. On the back of the collector's guide, we can see a picture of our bouquet, and there are instructions on how to put it together. And there is a certain order that the flowers have to go in. So first, let's put these 2 together. Then flower A, the orange, flower B, the capybara with an orange, the capybara with an orange slice, flower C, the sliced orange, and flower D. Take the paper, remove the backing on the adhesive, and attach it to the little outline. All right, we're gonna just place this inside. Repeat for the other wrapper, then place everything inside. Try to make the little picture centered, then scrunch it, add the bow, and it's done. And here it is with a doll. I think it looks like a pretty nice size bouquet for a Barbie. It could be a gift at a birthday party or a baby shower, or from someone special letting you know they care. I think it's cute. I like the oranges, but I think a price of $7.99 would have made me a little happier. But we can place it on the included stand and display it. Check. If we're thinking baby shower gifts, I think these 2 would be perfect. The ducks and the bunnies. Although, I wouldn't mind finding that super rare set of cats. So let's open a few more and see how we do. Opening our second capsule, which is I'm not going to look at the collector's guide because I want to be surprised. I'm going straight to the bags that have the figures. I think it is this one. And what? It's a double. It's a cute double, but I still don't want a double. But if we have a store or a flower stand, then doubles totally work. We should make a flower stand. I'm using 2 crates from Dollar Tree, jumbo craft sticks, square wooden dowels, and paint. Let's move over to the craft table, stack and glue the boxes together, making a stair step, cut craft sticks, and glue them onto the sides to cover the holes in the crates and extend the side. I'm going to take my wooden dowel and glue it in the back, repeat on the other side, and I cut a craft stick to go across the top. Get craft paint. I'm mixing a little green and cream, then paint it. On the last craft stick, let's paint a sign, glue it across the top, cut a few strips of cardstock. Mine are 1 inch by 2 inches. I fold them in half, then cut the corners to make a triangle. Cut several, take thread or embroidery floss, and glue the triangles onto the thread. Attach it to the stand to give us a place to display our minis. Now let's see if we can fill this stand with a few more bouquets. I am hoping to find the ducks and the rabbits. Ah, the collector's guide gave it away. It's the bears. This one has red roses and hearts. This could be cute for Valentine's Day or an anniversary. Opening my 4th capsule. Please be the ducks. Please be the ducks. Here's the bag. And inside we have, yeah, the ducks. One has a bow tie and the other one looks like it's laughing and there's a petal on its head. This one has yellow roses and hearts. Here it is, all put together. And since they all come with 2 wrappers, we could totally use a spare if we wanted to change the colors. All right, let's open one more. Hoping for the bunnies or the super rare cats. And this is, the bears again. So I got 5 capsules, 2 of them were doubles. But of course, we can always customize the doubles. I went from red to hot pink, and I used the pink duck paper to add a little variety to my collection. But let us know what you think about these new minis in the comments down below. Are they a buy or a pass? Thank you for joining us while we took a look at new Kawaii Mini Brands. Be sure to check back for Kawaii Kitchen. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!